Hello everyone, welcome in another video. In this video, we will learn how to install the Blender. So first we'll search on Google Blender, then we will find the Blender on its official website, that is blender.org. Then we'll go to blender.org. This is the site. So recently Blender 4.5 LTS long-term support version is available to download. So I will click on the download link and we will download using this button. So I have a Windows operating system, so you can choose, and it is downloading. So we will wait for few minutes so that it will download. Yes, the download is complete. Then I will click on the setup so that we can install the Blender. So installer is ready. So I will click on next. Next, I will keep it default, and it is now installing the Blender 4.5 version, which is the latest version of the Blender. So we can enjoy the new changes, improvements, advancements. There are a few bugs which are in previous version fixed in this version, so we use the latest version. And also in this version the new render engine is available, that is Vulkan, which can reduce the render time efficiently. So as Blender is open source software, we can use it for free. Model any 3D object, and for animation, rigging, sculpting, there are various uses of Blender. So we will learn how to use Blender for everything. Installation will take time depending upon your system configuration. For Windows, I recommend at least Core i5 and latest generation with at least 2 GB graphic card. Having been successfully installed. The installation is complete now. Open the Blender. It is available. Double click on it, it will open. First time it will take some time. Yeah, now is 4.5.1 LTS. So this is the Blender version. Hence we have successfully installed Blender, the latest version. Thank you for watching this video.